Madhu Ranjit Singh and I am an interior designer. Today I am going to take you through one of my projects which is actually on the verge of handover. In the next 2 days we are going to hand over this project, and that's why you can see all this mess. Okay, let me explain you the concept while designing, and before that let me give you a background about the owners. So the owners are, it's a couple who is like 68 plus scientists. So basically a very raw, rustic people. So before going ahead with the project and actually execution, we actually understood their personal styling, and that's the reason you can see a lot of rustic feel here, where we had to blend the contemporary designs along with their old furnitures. So as you can see that this cabinet actually is their old cabinet, and some of the other stuffs here also, which you can see is all their old existing cabinets. Now let me just explain. This is the living area. Now in this living area we have this is the whole huge space, okay, and here we have not done, we didn't have the liberty to actually do the flooring. So what we did was that we divided the space visually through the false ceiling. So we divided the space into passage, the dining and the living area, and as you can see the ceiling, we have actually taken these rafters which are actually flowing from the passage, the overall the entire passage, as you can see from here till there, and we have brought it back down in the elevations, and this completes the design, and visually it is actually kind of separating the space very beautifully. And in the next 2 days actually there's going to be the sofa, which is the L-shaped sofa with a center table of course, and then we are going to have a dining table here, okay, and let me just take you through the kitchen. So this was actually a closed kitchen, and this area which you can see here, this area was completely closed. So we have opened this area and we have taken this space inside the kitchen. So this is our breakfast table, and we are going to have the high bar chairs here, and this area inside. So this client was not very comfortable showing off his bar, unlike many of them. So we have kept the bar hidden, in a way not really exposed to the visitors. And then we have a tall unit there, and we have a tall unit here, and as you can see there are soft closures. You can see this. So this is the way the kitchen is designed, and this also this client was very fond of island kitchen, and that's how this island idea got developed. And we made this island for the client, where she said that she's a high flyer, so she said that she could actually sit and work while she's working and stuff like that. And then okay, and the rest of the kitchen, I think it's pretty organized and huge. So the sense of space created within space has come out very beautifully, and the clients are very happy and very excited to move in. Okay, looking at the side, I don't think you can actually feel that okay they're going to move in another 2 days, but yes, they are moving in 2 days, and you will see the change because people are working day and night out now. And so I think I would sign off with okay, so my daughter is recording and she's directing me idhar se idhar jao so that the light falls on my face. Thank you, Ananya, thank you so much. Okay, so anyways, so I hope you liked some sense out of what I was trying to explain. And once the project is handed over, I'm going to shoot once again and I'll show you the entire makeover, finished makeover. Happy designing. Enjoy yourself.